Hello everybody, my name is Rohit and welcome to my channel Code. So if you are new to this channel then please do consider subscribe to my channel. So today I will teach in English and I will love in English and I will do everything in English. So I am going to do today's problem of the day of the Leetcode because I found it very interesting problem how we can do in a linear runtime complexity and a constant extra space. So first, what is our flow? First we will read the question, then we will understand the question, then we will see the approach of this question from brute force to brute method, and then finally we will see the code in every language: Python, C++, and Java. So now let's read the question. Given a non-empty array of integers nums, okay, every elements appear twice except for one. Very good. Find that single one. You must implement a solution with a linear runtime complexity and use only constant extra space. So basically what we have to do, that question is very straightforward, that every number in an array, every number is present twice but only one number is present once. So we have to find that number. So this is very straightforward question. So now let's see with example. Understand this question with example. So our example is given 2, 2 and 1. So see, in this array, this 2 is present twice but 1 is present once, and we have to find one number, that one number which is present only once. So this number is present only once, so we will return this as an answer. Very good. Now see this for this example. 1, 1, 2, 2 and 4. Okay. So now if you will check, this is present twice, this is present twice, this is present twice, and this is present only once. So basically hope you understand the question. The question is very straightforward, that array is given and we have to find the number that is present only once, and we have to return in a linear runtime complexity, that is order of n, and the space complexity is 1. So how we can do that? So let's understand the first brute force method. Brute force method is very simple. What we will do, we will make the frequency of every number. So for this example, 2 is present 2 times and 1 is present 1 times. We will basically made our hash table. In our hash table, we will see that which number is present only once time, we will return that as an answer. So for this example, let us consider, make our hash table. 4 is present 1 time, 2 is present 2 time, 1 is present 1 time. Okay. So what we will do, basically we will check that if this number is present once time, so we will return this as an answer. So it is very simple, but how, what is the time complexity and the space complexity of this question? So the time complexity is order of n, because we are running our loop from here to here n times. And what is the space complexity? It is also order of n, because we will take all those values, all the values that are present in this space. We are taking all those values, yani ki n space, order of n space we are taking in our hash table. So we have to present in the form of order of one space. So how we can do that? This is our question. So let us understand. First we will delete and then we will understand in paint. So we will understand everything very better. So we can understand also here. So let us take an example, this example 2, 2, 1. And every time we will first know, or we will do with the method of bit manipulation, that is JOR method. How we can use JOR method, we will understand afterwards. So let us understand. So what is JOR? If the same number is present, if the same number is present, then the answer is 0. That is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So if the same bit is present, then the answer is 0. But if the different bit is present, then the answer is 1. Then the answer is 1. So in the JOR, if the same number is present, then the answer is 1. So answer is 0. And if the different bit is present, then the answer is 1. So how we can use this concept in our question? So let us understand. Take this as an example. Take this as an example. Take this as an example. We already know that in an array every number is present twice except one. So we have to find that one number. So using our XOR method, we know that every number is present twice. So if we will take off XOR of every number which is present twice, then this will become 0. Suppose if we find XOR of this number, then this will become 0. And if we will take XOR of this number, then this will become 1, because we know that 0 and 1 is 1, because the different bit is answer gives us 1. So we will find that कि if the bit is different, then the answer is always 1. So we will use that XOR concept in this question. So suppose take this example, you will understand in a better way. So here 1 is present twice, 2 is present twice, and 4 is present 1. So we know that if we do the XOR, then this will give 0, this will give 0, and the number which is left, that is 4, is our answer. So we will take XOR of each and every number, and we will know that if we will calculate the XOR value of the same thing, then this will give 0. And the only left number is present in our array is single one. Okay, so that is our method. So what we will do, later understand with this example how we can run the loop. So we will run our loop and we will take answer as 0. Okay. So now for this we will calculate our XOR for 0 and 2. So what is the binary method? 1, and that is 0, and here is 0. So we will do the XOR operation of 0 and 2 first. Okay, our I is here. Very good. Now if it is same number, it is same number here, then it will become 0, and here it is becomes 1. So now after doing XOR operation for this answer and 0, our answer becomes 2. Okay. Now we have to do the XOR operation with this number. So we know that if we do the XOR with the same number, then the answer is 0. So now our I is here and our answer is 0. So now we will do the XOR with 1. So what is the binary number of 1? 1. And what is answer? 0. So we will now perform the XOR operation. So this will become 1. So we will return this as an answer. So here in answer 1 is present and we will return our answer. So in the same fashion, after doing XOR operation with 0, with 4, then we will do the XOR operation with 1, with 2, with 1, and with 2. At last in our answer 4 is stored, because the same number becomes 0, this and this XOR operation becomes 0, this and this XOR operation becomes 0, and after that we will do the last implementation, that is 4 1 0 0, that is the binary number of 4, and if we will do the 0, then this will become 0, this is 0, and this is 1 as it is. So our answer is that is equal to 4. So we will return the 4. So using this concept, we are running only one loop and our space complexity is 1. Okay. So hope you will understand how I can use that XOR implementation and implement in our question. Okay. So now let's jump to the question. Sorry, coding. We will see the problem statement. We will see the brute force to brute vector method. We will see our approach, and then now we will see the time complexity and space complexity. Now jump to the code. So let's jump to the code without any further delay. So let's see. I am going to see. So what I am going to take, we will take XOR as a 0. Then we will take for I in nums. Then we will run a loop. So what we will call this loop? We will call this loop as an enhanced loop. Enhanced loop. So basically we don't have to extract like nums of I. We will take that direct I. We don't have to take nums of I. Okay. So in enhanced loop, learn about the enhanced concept. We directly use I. We directly access this value. Okay. We don't have to use nums of I. So in enhanced loop, what we will do the XOR operation, and finally we will know that in our XOR, what is the one number left in an array is present in an this XOR variable. Okay. So now let's take the same thing for the C++. Simple int answer is equal to 0, because we have to return the int type, so we don't take as a long, because it is int is given, so we will take int. Okay. Then we will run an enhanced loop so we can directly access 2. Here we have to use the symbol for auto I and for which array it is belongs to. Okay. Then we will run our answer and finally we will return our answer. Okay. Don't use reserved keyword. JOR is a reserved keyword. That's why this gives you error. So don't use JOR variable because JOR is reserved keyword in C++. Okay. So now for Java. So for Java, here I have done the same thing. Enhanced loop I have taken. Then I have taken JOR operation and the same thing XOR. Okay. So now run the code and see you will get the answer in every language. Now let's see. It is accepted. It is accepted. Okay. It is accepted. Very good. So you will see, now you can see the answer in Java, Python and C++. So in which language you are comfortable, you can see that answer. So hope you will understand all these things. We will meet you in the next session very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.